For just 1/30th of its original price, we picked up this 15-year-old machine. With just a little bit of cash, we can restore it to its former glory. Let's find out if it's actually worth the investment. Let's pull it into the work bay and run a full inspection before getting our hands dirty. Starting with a borescope to check the engine. Wow, the carbon buildup here is thicker than the bottom of an old wok, and there's already severe cylinder scoring. Moving on to the chassis. Wait, why are there USD bills sticking out down here? All right, let's get to work.
These little things hidden in the cracks and crevices finally see the light of day. Watch my suction power. Interior dismantling complete. Dismantle engine bay components before dropping the engine. Extract the engine oil. Drain it. Drain the coolant. Remove the engine bolts. Just the tip of the iceberg. Admire this engine with 250,000 kilometers on it. Covered in thick, seeping oil sludge. First, pull out the exhaust pipe. Then separate the engine from the subframe. Engine tear down officially begins. Engine and transmission wash.
The engine teardown is complete. As you can see, it's completely caked in dark brown sludge and grime. This is the result of long-term oil leaks being baked on by high engine temperatures, forming some incredibly stubborn stains. So here we have the fully disassembled EA837 engine out of the Cayenne. What's the main culprit behind this car's issues? It's the carbon buildup. Just look at this. The carbon deposits on all the spark plugs are extremely severe. Now let's inspect the engine block. From this angle, you can clearly see that every single cylinder has varying degrees of scoring. This engine has clocked 250,000 kilometers, but it's a one-owner vehicle. Honestly, for a German engine, you'd expect a normal service life of at least 200,000 kilometers before seeing major wear. As for the minor oil and coolant leaks, those are straightforward fixes. Next up, we're going to strip off the exterior body panels. As you can see, the exterior color change is officially complete, and we went with a genuine Porsche factory option color. The finish is absolutely flawless. Plus, since it's a metallic paint, it looks so much sharper and more dynamic than something like Audi's flat Nardo gray. Pair that with these upgraded Matrix quad headlights, and the overall look is just stunning. Let's take a closer look at the details. Notice the seams and panel gaps. They've all been perfectly painted gray. This is a true in-depth color change. When we open the door, check out the door jambs. Everywhere you look has been completely color matched. Down below, we also paint matched the side skirts to the body. If you know the Sport Design package, you know the side skirts, front lip, and rear diffuser are all body colored, giving the entire car that authentic factory gray appearance. Moving over to the wheels, the brake calipers have been refinished in red and topped with the white Porsche logo. This classic red and white combo really makes the whole car feel brand new. Stick around for the final reveal of this build, but first, let's get all the removed parts cleaned up.
Engine assembly complete.
Our EA837 engine is finally fully assembled. This is the Porsche 3.0 T power plant, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Just look at the size of this thing. This right here is the true charm of heavy machinery. Now that the motor is completely buttoned up, it's time to drop it back into the car. The powertrain is the absolute heart of the vehicle, which is why we stand behind our rebuilds with a full 3-year or 100,000-kilometer warranty. Combined with the complete facelift we did on the exterior to make it look brand new, this build is going to be incredible. I can't wait to get this fully prepped engine installed and finally hear it roar on the open road. The engine is ready to drop in.
Servicing the transmission. Replacing chassis components. Sway bars and lower control arms. Replacing all aging rubber bushings and tie rods. Chassis installation complete. Start adding vehicle fluids.
The powertrain is fully prepped and ready to go. All the exterior and interior kits we sourced for this 2010 Cayenne have finally arrived. What you're seeing here is just a fraction of the parts because our shop floor honestly can't even fit everything. We're strictly following the original Porsche factory color palette for this build. Up front, we've equipped this Cayenne with an upgraded triple-screen setup. It fully supports Apple CarPlay and Baidu CarLife, making smartphone integration completely seamless. The center curved display completely replaces the old mechanical gauges with a modern digital LCD instrument cluster. Up top, it's wrapped in carbon fiber, and that center push-to-start button matches the exact specs of the newest models. The texture on these trim pieces is virtually indistinguishable from OEM. You really need this level of quality to maximize that premium feel. All of our steering wheels are wrapped in premium calfskin and feature the Sport Chrono components. For the interior colorway, we went with a raspberry purple theme, nicely contrasted by black door panels. Just look at the detailing up here. The tactile feedback and damping on the seat memory and window switches are absolutely fantastic. And of course, the Burmester speaker grills are all present and accounted for. Moving to the center console, we've swapped out the mechanical buttons for a sleek haptic touch panel, all built to factory craftsmanship standards. If you inspect the fit and finish, everything sits perfectly flush and flat. No uneven gaps or depressions anywhere. We also optimized the dash compass, bringing this entire build right up to the fully loaded spec of a 2026 Cayenne. Get ready to see how incredible this will look once everything is installed. Let's begin the interior assembly.
Clean the door frames. Interior installation complete. Polish the scratches on the glass. Fine polishing. Remove the front windshield. Continue polishing. Reinstall the windshield. Polish the rear window glass. Final step. Washing the vehicle. Time leaves its marks, but the passion remains the same. Old cars regain their youth. The elegance lives on.